In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Azure for students. By the end, you'll have your account ready with student benefits and know exactly where to check your credits and usage. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Azure for Students free account page. This is the dedicated offer for learners, so make sure you're on the Microsoft site. On that page, you'll see a button that says Start Free or Activate Now. Click it to begin. If the page looks busy, don't worry. Just focus on that activation button and proceed. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right there. When you set this up, it's best to use your school or university email address because it helps confirm your student status smoothly. Keep that inbox open in another tab so you can respond to any verification prompts quickly. After signing in, Microsoft will ask you to verify that you're a student. There are a couple of common ways this happens. You may be asked to verify through your school email, or you might be prompted to upload proof, such as a student ID card or an enrollment certificate. Sometimes a verification code is sent to your email, so check your inbox and spam folder. If you're uploading a document, make sure it's clear, current, and shows your name and institution so the review goes faster. Once your student status is confirmed, follow the on-screen prompts to finish activation. Agree to the terms, complete any required personal information, and confirm. Take a moment to review what you enter. Matching your details to your school records can prevent delays. Stay on the page until you see confirmation that your Azure for Students subscription is active. After activation, your benefits kick in right away. You'll use $100 in Azure credit to use on eligible services, and you'll also get access to a selection of free Azure services designed for students. Think of this as your sandbox to learn, build, and experiment without surprises. To monitor everything, sign in to the Azure portal. From there, you can check your current credit balance and track usage. If you're new to the portal, look for areas labeled subscriptions or billing-related sections to see your remaining credit and what it's been used on. Get into the habit of checking this before launching new resources so you stay within your allowance. That's it. You're ready to explore Azure with your student plan. Take your time, keep an eye on your credits, and enjoy building with confidence.